Okay, first you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting. Under the System section, scroll down and come to Troubleshoot option. Tap on Other Troubleshooters. In the Playing Audio section, you can see the Run option. Just tap on it. It will detect the problems. So you can choose which device has the issue. Then after tap on Next, then it will be find the issue and it will notify the issue. If it is fixable, it will automatically fix. Then after in the taskbar, you can see the speaker icon. Make sure it is it has enough volume. If it is muted like this, you have to unmute it and change the volume level. Once it is done, go to Start menu again, go to Setting, go to Sound option under the System section, tap on it. Make sure output device is set as correct device. In my case, it is set as speakers. So if you have different output device, you can tap on that device and add that device onto your computer. Make sure the input device also set as current input device. You can see there are two options in this case. So make sure you select the correct one. And then after right click on your Start menu again, go to Device Manager. Double tap on Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right click on your each driver, go to Update Driver, tap on Search Automatically for Drivers. If it is not working, you can go to second option and use this one. Select your already installed driver, tap on Next. If that also not working, right click on it, uninstall device, tap on uninstall. Do the same thing for these three. If you have several, you can do same thing to all. Then after restart your computer. Again, right click on your sound icon in the taskbar, go to Sound Setting, scroll down to bottom, go to More Sound Setting option. In this section, select your device. If you output device, you can select from here. If you input device, you can set it from here. Then after select your device, go to Properties. In this case it is not, so you have to go to this option, select that one, go to Properties, go to Enhancement section, tick the Disable All Enhancement like this. If it is not ticked, you have to tick this one. Then after tap on OK. Once it is done, again go to search bar, search for Run, tap on it. In here you need to type services.msc like this, hit enter. Find Windows Audio option in here, scroll down, it is right here, double tap on it. If it is running right now, okay, right click on it, tap on Restart option. Once it is done, again go to Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, right click on it, again do the same thing, restart it. Once it is done, you can close this one like this, and then after you can check your hardware related issues like speaker is working or not, or headphone has some kind of issues. You can try it with another computer. So if none of these methods are not working, you can again go to search bar, search for CMD, right click on it, tap on Run as Administrator. In here you need to type sfc /scan. Now this will scan and repair the system corrupted system files. Once it is done, again you need to type DISM online cleanup image restore health, hit enter. Once the process is completed, you can restart your computer. And finally you can go to Start menu and Setting, go to Windows Update option, check is there any update is remaining to install. You can reinstall it, or you can check for update for latest updates. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.